In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your PC. Now, the first thing you have to do is open Microsoft Store. You can find the Microsoft Store icon here. If you don't see it, you can go to the search box and search for Store. Then click on Microsoft Store. Once it opens up, scroll down and you'll find WhatsApp. If you don't see it, you can use the search box and type in WhatsApp. Click on it. Now, just click on Get, and Microsoft Store will download and install WhatsApp on your Windows computer. Just hang in there while the installation completes. After the installation is complete, click on Open, and you'll see WhatsApp. If you don't see the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or in the taskbar, you can go to Start, find WhatsApp, right-click on it, go to More, and click on Pin to Taskbar. Now, to connect your WhatsApp account, click on Get Started, check your phone, and open your WhatsApp app. Tap on the three dots from the top right, then tap on Link Devices, tap on Link a Device, unlock your phone, and scan the QR code showing on your computer. Now, you can see that the WhatsApp account from your phone is now showing on your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.